Year's Eve, guys, so we need to get ready to actually turn on the fireworks. Now let's go to the very top area in the clock tower. So if you might be wondering why they have those dispensers here, this is actually especially made for fireworks shows in this world. And oops, I don't have the lever for this one, so I'll just break it. And this is filled with fireworks, and well, it was filled with fireworks. Now they're all gone. So this is the reason that we're here, to make some fireworks and just get them. So first of all, I'm just going to get some fireworks from the inventory because I'm kind of lazy. So let's get some. So let's go and get some of these ones. Some of them. I want to get as much as possible. So as much as they can hold. So it's going to be a pretty nice fireworks. So hopefully I have enough room in my inventory anyway. And it's already filled up. That isn't good. Let's go and empty out some of this stuff. I need more fireworks than you can possibly imagine, because it is going to be a big display, man. Okay. You know what, I don't think I actually need to make any fireworks. This is just fine enough. Okay, let's start filling these dispensers up then. Okay, with all these cool fireworks that we have. I thought it was quite a cool way to actually make the fireworks. Okay, let's fill them all up. Do I have enough? I don't think I have enough actually, do I? No, I don't have enough. I need 6 more. There we go. Let's fill them all up. Actually, I need to take down this texture pack, because this texture pack makes it so fireworks there is no fireworks, which is really not good. If there was no fireworks, that'd be nightmare. Horrible. Okay, I'm actually going to get a lightning bolt in. That'll be quite cool. Lightning underscore bolt. Just hope it actually works. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let me take down this texture pack, because this texture pack is really not good. It's very weird not to have a texture pack, because then all the people or the stands look very weird. Why did I just do that? I was supposed to save and quit. I'll be back once the texture pack, or I'm in the texture pack area, so I'll be back. Okay, I'm just saving the resource pack now, and then we can get started. I'm gonna get some music in too, so hopefully the music will start. I wish Jukebox would start working soon, but they never work. Like, I bet they still don't work. Like, if they still work right now, that'd be really embarrassing. Jukeboxes don't work, do they? I don't think they do. They still don't. Jukeboxes never get in. No, that isn't working. Okay. It is getting nighttime, so I'm not letting that occur. I mean daytime. So let's actually put the time to midnight, and we'll start getting. Okay. I'm making a little hole in the roof so I can quickly put the lever on and then jump to my seat. Okay, ready? 3. Okay, I need to have a little heart attack. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! Happy New Year's Eve! It looks so beautiful. I love it. Let's go down a bit to the bottom. I've been wearing this my whole entire life. Oh my god. 2018. 2017 was a pretty nice year, I have to say. First of all, I made my YouTube channel and stuff, so yeah. It's now turning into a next year. And yeah, I'll be back with another episode, maybe this year. This is probably the last day of 2017 ever. In the whole, in that 2017 will never come back. This day will never come back, so hope you enjoy 2017. Happy, okay, New Year's Eve. Anyway, I hope you all enjoy. Today is New Year's, as you know. So, 2018, I don't know what's going to come, but yeah, I hope you all enjoy.